Hello YouTube, this is Shekhar. Welcome to my channel. So today is 2nd April and I am going to one ride which is organized by Royal Enfield, and it's 6:48 in the morning and it's too hot, man. I'm sweating like hell. हेलमेट में पूरा पानी पानी हो गया. चलो. So the ride will be starting from Royal Engineers Uppal to Lahari Resorts. All riders will be assembled by 6:50 at Royal Engineers Uppal. From there the ride will be starting to Lahari Resort, and it would be first time for me to ride in a group. मजा तो आएगा. Hope everything goes good. थोड़ा चाय पी लेंगे कहीं रोक के. So another update, guys. As you all told me that my audio is not clear in my videos, so I bought a new mic from gearbest.com, and let's hope audio will be audible clearly in coming videos. So I'm almost near to Royal Engineers now. Let's hope someone would have came there. And a member from THT called Abhinav, he's also joining us from Royal Engineers to the ride. I will just have some tea over here and I will wait for Abhinav. So here we are at Royal Engineers, and the thing is that I'm currently waiting for Abhinav to come. And there is Abhinav, and he is Abhinav. What time laga? So guys, the ride had been started from Royal Engineers, so each and everyone is just moving on. And look at those carriers. Those are custom made carriers which he made in Delhi, because he is from Delhi. Even I need to get those carriers. Guys, we are in Amirpet right now. So from here we need to head towards Patancheru. From there, Lahari Resorts. हाँ, समझा नहीं. पीछे ही है शायद. हाँ रुकेंगे. हल्लू चलते हैं ना. So another rider has been stuck in traffic. So रेड लाइट गिर गया था उसका, तो वो रुक गया वहाँ पे. तो थोड़ा धीरे चलते हैं so that he can join us. So here we are at Hiragadda. So I think from here the rally will be start. This is how one ride happens. So we are in Hiragadda right now, and I'm really thirsty. I need some water. I think there we can get some water. I think they are calling us. पेटी पैक है भाई पूरा. So this is how the one ride happens, and someone is giving instructions over there. Thank you. Let's go. This is the first time I'm riding with a group, such a big group. Let's see. चलते हैं. This is how the one ride rally goes. We have crossed the BHEL and wow man, क्या लोग हैं. पूरे रॉयल एनफील्ड की गाड़ियाँ ही हैं खाली. एकदम झक्कास. हर इशारों में चल रहा पूरा. तो मेरे को तो कुछ स्टार्टिंग में तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आया क्या इशारा कर रहे हैं क्या है कि, लेकिन धीरे धीरे समझ में आ रहा है मेरे को भी. That was the sign of you have a pothole in front. Wow, I didn't know that. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है. Most reach Lahari resorts. So here it is. Lahari resorts. So आ गए अभी तो अंदर, और अंदर कितने अंदर जाना पता नहीं. And it's damn hot man. इतनी प्यास लगी है ना, बता नहीं सकता. अंदर जाने दो यार, थोड़ा ठंडा पानी पीने दो यार. चलो. It's 9 AM. So done with the, क्या बोलते हो, रजिस्ट्रेशन बोलते हैं या क्या बोलते हैं पता नहीं. हो गया और पसीना पसीना भी हो गया मैं. And this is the parking. Breakfast. चल यार बहुत भूख लगी है, खा लेते हैं. Really hungry and I need to find Abhinav now. कहाँ पे है ये अभिनव? कर लिए टिफिन, अभी निकल रहे घर को. सो सही था, टिफिन तो अच्छा था. A bit of off-roading. Actually we need to click some pictures और थोड़ा ऑफ-रोडिंग भी कर लेंगे, इसलिए अंदर आ गए थोड़ा. हाँ, सो गाइस, डन विद द फोटो शूट. थोड़ा बहुत फ़ोटो खींच लिए ऑफ-रोडिंग के. चलो अब चलते हैं घर को. नींद आ रही मेरे को ज़बरदस्त. रात में भी नींद नहीं है। सो गाइस, डन विद द राइड। पहुंच गए घर पे। तो पहुंचा नहीं अभी, और 2-4 मिनट में पहुंच जाऊंगा घर पे।